Tired of your website feeling like a ghost town? I am going to show you how Ubersuggest can transform your website into a traffic magnet first. Head over to Ubersuggest.com. You'll see a search bar right at the top. This is where the magic starts. Type in a keyword related to your business. Let's use best running shoes as an example and select your target location, then hit search. Now, feast your eyes on the keyword overview. This page shows you the search volume, indicating how many people are searching for this keyword each month. It also gives you the SEO difficulty, so you know how hard it will be to rank organically, and the paid difficulty, which tells you how competitive it is to bid on this keyword in paid ads. Scroll down to the keyword ideas section. Here you will find a treasure trove of related keywords, along with their search volume, cost per click, and other important metrics. This helps you broaden your content strategy and find long-tail keywords that are easier to rank for. Want to spy on your competition? Use Ubersuggest's competitor analysis tools. Enter a competitor's domain, and Ubersuggest will show you their top-performing keywords, their estimated traffic, and more. This can reveal opportunities to target keywords they're missing or improve your content to outrank them. With Ubersuggest in your SEO toolkit, you are well equipped to conduct comprehensive keyword research, identify competitor strategies, and ultimately drive more traffic to your website.